Assalamualaikum. So I'm here in my favorite store. अब mask पहन की video बनेगी. So of course we are not wearing any makeup just because what situation is here. So ऐसे बस कुछ चीज़ें देखना चाह रही थी. मैंने कहा सोचा कि let's just try what they have in the store because the store just opened I think 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago. So it's been a while now. It seems like they don't have like much stuff. नई चीज़ें भी ज़्यादा नहीं. I mean, they have these sort of stuff. ये full होती है, भरी हुई होती है इनकी जो shelves हैं, लेकिन इस वक्त जो है half empty है, मैं यही कहूँगी. So I'm just here to see some skincare products that they have, or maybe a shampoo and conditioner. I bought their shampoo and conditioner, like a brand I don't remember, but I do remember the shape of it. मुझे color भी याद है उसका, और जब मैं देखूँगी तो मैं उसे पहचान लूँगी because it was really good. So I'll get that. I don't think so they have it. वो तो यहाँ पे नहीं है, बस ये मेंस सेक्शन है. यहाँ से मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें ली हैं, ये लोफा वगैरह और इस तरह की चीज़ें, स्पेशली जो ट्रैवल की चीज़ें होती हैं. लुक एट दिस नाउ, लाइक दिस इज़ योर लॉन्ड्री बैग. सो यहाँ काफ़ी अच्छी जो है ना वो चीज़ें मिल जाती हैं, वैरायटी मिल जाती है. तो मैंने अक्सर जो मेरे ट्रैवलिंग का जो सामान है वो मैंने इसी स्टोर से लिया हुआ है. तो whenever I go abroad, तो फिर मैं उन्हीं में अपनी चीज़ें जो है पैक करके जाती हूँ. Oh, they have shampoos here as well, so let me check. No, they don't have that shampoo here. इस वक्त तो नहीं मिल रहा मुझे. They have good brand though. Maybe this one. And if I just get it shiny, but I want shampoo and conditioner both. Like I didn't try that, so जो कभी try नहीं किया ना वो लेना नहीं चाहिए. Look at the variety of brushes here. Like they have a lot of products and all different brands. Look at the pen thing. Okay, then you have ladies section here. And we will go to the home section. It's a huge store for everyday use stuff. I really like this store, and the products are great. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे there's nothing interesting right now. I don't know why. I really like their clearance section. इनके clearance section में बहुत कुछ मिल जाता है. Oh, look at this. थोड़ी सी damage है ये वाली यहाँ से. Is it damage or yeah, no, not damage, but yeah, a little bit different. And this is how much? Is it $29? $29.99. So like $30 for this. And मैंने हसन में भी देखी थी, वहाँ भी थोड़ी expensive है वैसे ये. It's the thermal mug. Well, they don't have much stuff here. And probably the store is not open, properly. अभी भी जो है यहाँ पे लोग काफ़ी ज़्यादा वो परहेज़ कर रहे हैं, काफ़ी अवॉइड कर रहे हैं कॉन्टैक्ट को और क्राउड को. These because they open some certain locations. Not every store is open yet, but next week से मेरा ख्याल से जो है ना कुछ तो खुल ही जाएगा. Look at this place. It's $36. The price was like how much it was before, I don't know. Oh, the candles. Look at the candles. I love candles. मुझे especially जो oud की जो होती है ना fragrance वो बहुत पसंद है. The traditional oud or sandalwood. Natural home sea salt. Is a mango or what? Wild honey. नाम पढ़ के ना, then I'll check. This is yummy. The whole rack is like almost empty. Like, what is this going on? They didn't get more stuff. So it means अभी भी time है. ये pets shelves हैं जहाँ मेरा कोई काम नहीं है. मेरा पेट पाकिस्तान में है तो यहाँ मैं रखना नहीं चाहती because it's a lot of effort and work. So look at this hard trays, they're cute. It's just $14.99. I don't know each or like for the whole set. Is this for real? Well, it's cute, but मेरी बेटी का बर्थडे हो चुका हुआ है. मैं अगर पहले, oh my goodness, look at this, so cute. Okay, honestly मैंने पहले देखा होता I would definitely get them, but these are actually really cute, like 4 of them. They're great for decoration or maybe for vanity. Or isn't it cute? I'm gonna get this one. Yeah, for sure. This is cute, and I like this stand as well. How much for the stand? $59.99. That's expensive. Let's see more stuff. They have more. Oh wow, this is actually really cute. Like different shapes. Good for vanity or made in what? Turkey. Actually, Turkey gongi mein. It's a beautiful place, no doubt. And the quality. Look at this. This is so beautiful. What should I buy? Like this? Oh, starfish. Starfish, the size is the same. These are actually really cute. They're great for gifts and well, that one I'll get it for sure because that's only $7. And this is wow, the price is so cheap. Oh, these are cute though. Okay, what is the difference between this is $4.99, this is $6.99, and the shape and everything is the same? What is this going on here? Why this one is $4.99? I didn't get it. What's wrong here? Okay, I want to take these two because I like them. I will buy them because I like decorations, especially for like हम लोग वो बर्थडे वगैरह सेलिब्रेट करते हैं या वैसे ही घर में कुछ थोड़ा सा करते हैं तो उसके लिए अच्छी रहती हैं decorations. And this is like different, like gold, and gold can go with everything, so और उसके साथ अच्छी लग जाती है. These are like it's the crystal coasters. What it says. It's beautiful. Actually, I think अच्छा मैंने कभी ये सामान पहले नहीं देखा. This is first time in the store. From Turkey or Turkey. How much is this? $7.99, and it's 4 of them. Like, I'm honestly a little confused. Should I buy this? But this one is like more plain. This is more like a tray thing, so I will stick to the you know what I mean, this star thing. And look at this. ये पहले कहाँ थी, मुझे क्यों नज़र नहीं आई? It was my daughter's birthday. आखिर डेकोरेशन बहुत खूबसूरत हुई मेरी बेटी के बर्थडे पे माशाल्लाह. I'm very happy, but this is actually goes with her birthday theme. This thing, look at this, it's beautiful. It is very lightweight. I'm not sure if it's worth this money, but it's actually not really expensive. This is, wow, crystal quartz. I really like crystals. Okay, this shows it's empty. This is, okay, we have something here. Let's check. Oh, I like it. Yeah, nice hanging thing. Look at this. Oh, what is it? Lux Tribe Gold. Like $9.99. These are crystals. What does it say? The Master Healer type thing. I don't know what is it. Interesting. How you? Okay. I don't know. Oh, it's a lighting thing. Hey, what is this? I had never seen all these in this store. अच्छा क्रिस्टल में ज़रा फोकस करते हैं ना ज़रा. Master Healer, known as the Master Healer energy, will bring peace and is used to enhance mental clarity. A stone peace and harmony brings a sense of calm. Rose quartz, selenite, and what? Actually, they are different. दो तरह के stone हैं. Then we have these here. It's actually cute. Look at the table, it's beautiful. I like it. Oh, handle holder. Okay. तो मैंने ना ज़बरदस्ती दो चीज़ें उठा ली हैं. We'll see. What is this? It's kind of picture frame kind of thing. Then they have these bath caddy. I have this one, I think. It's bigger size or the same size? I think it's the same size. मेरे पास है ये. Oh, this is so cute. अभी फ़िलहाल इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है कि मेरी बेटी के रूम में बिल्कुल जगह नहीं है कुछ भी करने के लिए. So I'm just not going to buy anything like this. Baskets and organizers. Nothing special, honestly. I think अभी मैंने store जो है ना वो भरा ही नहीं है. I mean they're still waiting क्योंकि यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट ने अभी अनाउंस नहीं किया. So once they announce, I think then they are going to start selling different new stuff because this store has a lot of options. Okay, you see bedsheet area here, bedsheet towels and other stuff. Oh, look at this, it's so cute. So I'm more interested in these things like trays and all that, but this is not really good. It's not a good looking thing. Towels and all this stuff, and we don't need that. What is this thing? Let's check. Oh, okay. Like a small organizer type thing, but it's not really safe because it's not covered. But I really like this one. It's actually really cute. It's a jewelry hanging thing. But I do have few. So I'm very excited about these two things, honestly. Mats, lamps. What's here? Okay. Some cars, skipping the rope. A towel. What is this? Not all. Remember? What? What is this? Something is written wander. Something, I don't know. Well, I'm not touching extra stuff for safety purpose. So we have some kid stuff here. What is this? I was looking for something, for camping thing for Selena, for my daughter. So, look at these. And the products like here from different brands, as I mentioned earlier, and they're honestly on very good price. They're not like full price. These are almost discounted, and sometimes they're more like discount over discount, but it's not all the time. But yeah, look at this cute little thing. What is it? What is it? This writing thing, yeah. Sorry, shows Holly and bhai. Exciting new products is on the way. Okay, we are waiting. मेरे ख्याल से it's enough for today. क्योंकि मुझे वाकई कुछ समझ नहीं आ रही है. स्टोर में ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं इस वक्त तो टॉयज देखते हैं. Final thing, I'm gonna look and then I will check out with my stuff. And well, there we go. I don't know if my daughter liked it or not because she's obsessed with one green hair doll. Her dad bought that doll for her when she was born, and she's obsessed with that. I don't know. She has some feelings that कि वो जो doll है वो उसके बाबा ने खरीद के दी है. That's why. This is cute. Eh? Look at this. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, so I'm just leaving the store in a while after checking out, and you will see these stuff on my Instagram. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. And I'll see you soon. Bye.